H back and the opener racing Mandolin rushing up Guapo pace now for the outside to take the leader. It's now Guapo pace followed by Mandolin Air Supply, very close third and followed up by Geo County. And going along for the first turn, Guapo pace leads by some 6 lengths. It's Guapo pace followed by Air Supply now in second, running in third Mandolin Geo County. Then followed over by entry number 3, Queen Haley as they reach the backstretch. Guapo pace with 4 lengths lead. Air Supply running second. 5 lengths away Mandolin Geo County. And then followed now by Senor Patrick halfway down the travel. It is still Guapo pace with 4 lengths leader. And coming closer now in second is Air Supply. Then followed over now by Geo County, Senor Patrick, Mandolin. Here comes the Bandy Grace, Queen Haley. And around the outside now is Batang Rosario as they turn for home. Air Supply and Guapo pace now collided in front. Guapo pace, Air Supply now for the outside, but still Guapo pace, Air Supply now for the outside. Geo County is running into Senor Patrick. It's now Air Supply. And finally, Air Supply second, Guapo pace, Geo County. Senor Patrick, the Bandy Grace, Thunder Max.
Okay, bayang karirista for our final race this evening, race number 8. We have an upset with entry number 6, that is Air Supply. Ayan, nirendahan po ni Artie Rocal Jr. Masisigundo dito, entry number 14, Guapo Face, and 10 horse Geo Conti. Balikan po natin ang nangyari sa inyong final race this evening. Ito po ang ating